welcome to video number 6. This is going to be the last video of the entire course, and in this video I'm going to show you how to combine more than one video. So if you have any other videos that you want to combine to a different video, then you can do that by doing what I'm now going to show you. It's really simple to do. Now the first thing you need to do is obviously get your main video up in Camtasia and add it to the timeline. And then the next thing you need to do is just go back to import media, go and find the other videos that you want to add to the timeline. So for this example, let's just click on that one. This is from a different product, and then go to this one, go to the new video, right click it, and then go add to timeline. Okay, and that adds the new video to the timeline. And what you will need to do is get rid of the keyframes, as I've said before, all of the zoom and pan effects. And what you will notice, what happens is the video that you've just uploaded goes at the front. So you have to work this out. The video that you want at the front of the video, so the video that you want to be played first, needs to be uploaded last. Okay, because this one here, you see, this SAB-WSO-video 2 AR settings, this is from a different product. Okay, and the Camtasia test video, remember this is the one that we've been using throughout the video course, that is now at the end, as you see. But we're not going to worry about that for now. I'm just going to show you how to upload additional videos. If you have any videos of your own, then obviously just take that into account, what I just said, that you must upload the video that you want at the start of your finished video last. Okay, because then that will go at the start when your video plays. I hope that makes sense. Now what we're going to do is get one more video to show you, and this time we're going to go for this one. Again, right click, add to timeline. It really is as easy as that. And again, just come down here and remove all keyframes. Remember what I said, you don't want Camtasia to actually include the keyframes themselves. You need to do it because you know exactly when to include the keyframes and the zoom and pan effects and all the callouts, etc. So now we have 3 videos in one video, and you'll see here, look, this is the latest video that we've uploaded, and this has come at the start, you see. And if we look back at the Camtasia test video that we've been using throughout the course, that is now last. And that is how you combine more than one video in the timeline. So we've got 3 videos here, and if I was to play all of the videos, or if I was to play this here, this would run smoothly all the way through. There would be no jumps or there would be no gaps. It would just run on to the next video straight away. Now the last part of the video is to actually produce the video. So what we're going to do is use these 3. We're actually going to delete a couple of these because otherwise when we produce the video it will take about half an hour to buffer before it completes. So what we're going to do is delete that and delete that, and then we're going to delete this, and then we're going to delete this, and then what we've got left is a video of 1 minute 16 seconds. As you can see here, it's 1 minute 16 seconds. Now what we do is we need to produce the video because it's all finished. Now imagine this is your finished video and you want to produce it, get it out on the internet so you can put it on YouTube or put it on your blog or put it on any other site, what you need to do is go to produce video as, and it will come up like this. Make sure you're on web, because you obviously want the video to be accessible on the web, on websites. And then what you do, make sure you're on 640 by 480, and it should be, as long as you followed all of my steps that I showed you throughout the videos. Just click next, and then put a title in here, Camtasia test video, and then just click next and then finish. And then what will happen is it will start to render like this. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to do this. So what I'm going to do is pause this video by using the F9 key. If you remember back in video 1, as I said, I'll use the F9 key, and then I'll be right back when it finishes. Okay, it's just complete. What you'll see now is this page comes up, this page in front of you here, look, where you can actually play the video to make sure it plays properly. But we're going to minimize that, and you also get this page come up. So this is all completely normal. This is what will happen when you produce your video, and just click finish. And then to get rid of the Camtasia screen here, you just click that and save changes. No, there's no need because it's already been produced. And then get rid of that, and then we can go to our video and just make sure that it plays. You see, minute 16. And what you can do now is then go and find the video on your hard drive. So let's go and find it. So I'll click F9 and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are, look, Camtasia test video, and here we are. This is what it should look like, or something very similar. Okay, you've got the video there, and then if we click that, if we double click that, that will then open, and we can then watch that on our PC. And this here is an MP4 file, and this is the file that you need to distribute around the web if you want to publish your video anywhere. Like YouTube, you can upload this MP4 file here to YouTube, you can upload it to other video sites. Okay, so this is going to be the main one that you're going to need, the MP4 file. And that is pretty much the end of the course. So throughout the video course, I've shown you exactly how to create the video, how to edit the videos, to use the zoom and pan functions, the call out functions, how to split your videos, and how to upload and combine your videos all into one video, and also how to produce your video as well. So that is pretty much everything you need to know to start making videos and getting them out on the web, and hopefully making you some money, or driving you traffic, or branding your business, whatever you want to use your videos for. So I hope you've enjoyed the entire video course, and hopefully I'll be talking to you again very soon. Take care.